Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing good. Today in this video we are going to discuss some short and important sentences for kids and beginner learners. So stay tuned. Stop annoying me. Stop annoying me. Stop annoying me. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Stay with us. Stay with us. Stay with us. Finish your homework. Finish your homework. I am busy now. I am busy now. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready. Wash your face. Wash your face. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Where is your bag? Where is your bag? Go play outside. Go play outside. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Look behind you. Look behind you. Kids, stop fighting. Kids, stop fighting. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Come closer. Come closer. Don't get too close. Don't get too close. We are getting late. We are getting late. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Don't be late. Don't be late. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Don't push it. Don't push it. Change your behavior. Change your behavior. Stay away from dirt. Stay away from dirt. Get some sleep. Get some sleep. Take a bite. Take a bite. Look at me. Look at me. What happened to you? What happened to you? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Don't be so rude. Don't be so rude. Change your clothes. Change your clothes. This is not yours. This is not yours. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. Stop making noise. Stop making noise. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. What do you want? What do you want? Why you did this? Why you did this? Who broke the glass? Who broke the glass? Where were you? Where were you? Who is crying? Who is crying? Don't speak loudly. Don't speak loudly. Don't force me. Don't force me. Do you like it? Do you like it? What color is this? What color is this? Who is your friend? Who is your friend? It's almost late. It's almost late.